डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन पेटिशन घातलेलें आरपोरा सरपंच. सो पेटिशनर कोण आनी तुमी तांचे एडवोकेट न्हू, सो ते मातशे डिटेल दिया.
So the petitioner here is Mr. Siraj Pednekar and I am Advocate Simran Kanekar representing him. So this petition that we have filed today before the Directorate of Panchayat seeks the immediate removal of the Sarpanch of Arpora Nagwa Panchayat. So this petition presents a clear case of abuse of power, statutory violations and corruption. Firstly, the Sarpanch has illegally issued an establishment license for a nightclub named Birch by Romeo Lane in an environmentally sensitive zone where such activities are prohibited, which has led to a tragic fire causing 25 deaths and leaving several injured, as we all know, which is really famous these days. Secondly, he has granted 13 repair licenses for non-existent structures in CRZ protected areas. And at the same time, he himself is facing a demolition order for his own illegal construction, and he also owns assets grossly disproportionate to his known sources of income. So today we are seeking for an interim restraint on Mr. Redkar from discharging his duties as Sarpanch and so that it helps in preventing tamper with records and obstruction of justice. So today the matter was placed before the Directorate of Panchayat and the notices has been issued returnable on the 26th of December evening at 4. So then their presence will be given.
तो petitioner असा तो कोण तो? Who is he?
The petitioner is a registered voter of the Arpora Nagwa Panchayat.
Is this any political motivated thing?
This is because of all the illegally issued establishment licenses. First is the Birch by Romeo Lane, the huge issue which has now very much famous in the media as well about regarding the 25 deaths.
हो आता 25 डेथ जाले म्हणून तुमकां उजेडाक येयला आनी हेजे पयलीं आरपोरा हितून कितलेशे सुमार इलिगलिटीज आसात.
हय, सो ते सगळे आतां एड्रेस करपाकूच लागून हे आमी पिटिशन घातलें.
मॅडम वॉट यू सेड
11 कितें स्ट्रक्चर्स म्हणलें न्हू,
13
कितें सो ती खंयच्या एरिया?
ते 13 मिस्टर सुरेंदर कुमार खोसला म्हणून एक तो पळय आसा, तेका 13 repair licenses issue केला where there was no structure in the first place. So repair licenses
Same
issue केला
Birch Club because that land is owned by Khosla.
yes. So same, and it also at the same time teka in December 2022 teka fire electricity connection ak NOCs and water connection ak NOCs dila, and in 2023 somewhere he was given repair licenses. So structures nasleल्या repair licenses kanchan you are issuing is the question here.
So did the petitioner file any complaint before against this person? Before tragedy? Before this filing of this
Against
petition?
this person?
Yeah, against this person.
No, but there are several illegal constructions already in Arpora Nagwa area. So there are several complaints against such illegal structures.
So don't you think that it will go against you when you have not complained first of all, and then you are directly filing the petition of disqualification?
Firstly, be just clear, the Sarpanch has no power to grant such licenses under the Goa Panchayat Raj Act. So it is basically the duty of the secretary, Panchayat secretary, to issue such licenses. So it is not within his jurisdiction to issue such licenses.
So without the secretary's knowledge, the Sarpanch?
It is the
Okay.
Sarpanch who has given the
Or
license.
without the knowledge of the secretary and the Panchayat body?
Yes.
Okay.
केन्ना पेटिशन फायल केल्लें?
आयज सकाळी हे पेटिशन फायल केला आणि आयजच प्लेस करून घेतले आमी, आणि आता नोटिसीस इशू केला डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ पंचायतान विच इज रिटर्नेबल ऑन 26th of December.
सो तेका रेडकराक हें मेळटलें फुडें?
हय.
So yeah, how many the structure is there which is not existing?
Sorry.
How many structure this thing?
There are 13 structures which are non-existent, yet repair licenses have
He had
been
given the repair license to
तेणी दिल्ले
the Sarpanch. Yes.
तेच सरपंच. आता सरपंचाने फायल केला फुडें?
Petition Mr. Siraj Pednekar.
तो
He is a registered voter of that area.
तो पंच बी आसा?
ना.
ओके आणि तुम्ही म्हटलं की तो सरपंच आसा तेंचे खंयच्या तरी स्ट्रक्चराचेर डिमोलिशन कितें तरी
हय तेंचे
खंय-
सो
कसलो स्ट्रक्चर
So he has a palatial structure he has built in his own property. So that has a demolition order passed by the same village panchayat itself.
आनी डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायतीचो रोल कितें ना हांगसर हितून
Directorate of
तो
Panchayat.
म्हणटा ताणें म्हणलेलें आसा जे आपणा हें स्टॉप केलां म्हणून डेमोलिशन आशिल्लें तें तेन्ना डायरेक्टर ऑफ रोल कितें आशिल्लो पंचायत
आयज फक्त डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ पंचायतान कांयच आमकां इशू करूना हे ही हॅज जस्ट इशूड द नोटिसीस टू द रिस्पोंडंट म्हटल्यार
No, no.
मिस्टर रेडकरा.
What he's saying, previous the Sarpanch had said that when the demolition order had come to the Baj,
Yeah.
so director of Panchayat had
He
stopped
stayed
stay
it.
order. So it is that on the director of Panchayat is given the stay order to the this Baj.
It is upon the directorate of Panchayat we can't speak.
थँक्यू
I am Advocate Simran Kanekar.